Welcome back. We will see the tech specs and features of Lenovo IdeaPad Slim3 Gen 10 laptop. Model number of the laptop is 83KA0048IN. This laptop blends ultra slim design with Zen 4 performance. Let us see the features. This laptop is an AI powered laptop with AMD Ryzen AI NPU engine. Comes with AMD Ryzen 8000 series CPU. Light and thin laptop, 10% slimmer than previous generation of Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 laptops, 15.3 inches Full HD Plus resolution, low blue light certified, 90% screen to body ratio, infrared camera for Windows Hello facial recognition, Dolby audio optimized, 300 nits for brightness, 14 hours of battery life when the battery is fully charged. CPU of the laptop is AMD Ryzen 7 8840HS. Base clock speed is 3.3 GHz. We can boost the clock speed to 5.1 GHz with AMD Max Boost. CPU has 8 cores, 16 threads with 16 MB L3 cache. To process graphics, there is a dedicated AMD integrated AMD Radeon 780M GPU engine which has dedicated 12 cores to process graphics. This CPU has a dedicated NPU engine which is called as AMD Ryzen AI for AI and ML workloads which can do 16 trillion operations per second. As a standard configuration, this laptop model comes with 8 GB Soldered and 8 GB SO-DIMM DDR5 5600 MHz memory module. Transfer rate supported is 5600 million transfer per second. One memory module is soldered and there is one memory module installed in SO-DIMM slot. Memory supports dual channel. Storage installed is 512 GB Gen4 NVMe SSD drive. Interface type is M.2 2242. There are two M.2 2242 slots available. For upgrade, there is also SD card reader to connect external storage. Display of the laptop is 15.3 inches display screen, Full HD Plus 1920 by 1200 resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, 90% screen to body ratio, IPS panel, anti-glare display coating, 1200:1 contrast ratio, 45% NTSC color gamut, 300 nits for brightness, 60 Hz refresh rate supported. Camera of the laptop is Full HD 1080 pixel infrared camera with integrated dual array digital microphone. There is also manual camera privacy shutter for webcam. For audio output, this laptop uses Realtek audio chipset. There are two 2-watt stereo speakers which produce high definition audio, Dolby audio optimized. For network and connectivity, this laptop uses Realtek wireless LAN card chipset which support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 version. Let us see the ports available on this laptop model. On the left, there is one power connector port, one USB Type-A Gen 1 port, one HDMI port, one USB Type-C Gen 1 port which support data transfer, power delivery and display, one headphone-earphone mic combo port. On the right, there is one power button, one SD card reader slot, one USB Type-A Gen 1 5 Gbps speed port. For input and keyboard, we get precision touchpad, multi-gesture touchpad, multimedia function keys, dedicated numeric keypad and dedicated Copilot key. This keyboard has backlit. Battery of the laptop is 3-cell 50 Wh lithium-ion polymer battery with Lenovo Rapid Charge Boost. We get 2 hours of runtime with 15 minutes of charge. We get 14 hours of battery life when the battery is fully charged. Power adapter is 65 watt round tip 3 pin AC power adapter. Input voltage is 100 volt to 240 volt AC. Security features include Microsoft Pluton Trusted Platform Module, infrared camera for Windows for facial recognition, mic mute key, camera privacy shutter. We can also set up administrator password, power on password, drive password inside the BIOS. Body of the laptop is aluminum and plastic ABS body. Weight of the laptop is 1.59 kilograms, 16.9 mm thin, tested for US military standard 810H. Color of the laptop is Luna Grey color. Operating system bundled is Windows 11 Home 64-bit edition. Lenovo recommends Windows 11 Professional for business. Microsoft Office Home 2024 with lifetime validity included. Let us see the upgrade options available for this laptop model. Maximum memory supported is 24 GB, 8 GB is soldered and 8 GB is installed in an SO-DIMM slot. We can replace 8 GB with 16 GB SO-DIMM DDR5 5600 to make total of 24 GB. For storage, there are two M.2 2242 SSD drive slots. We can add 1 TB in each of the slot. Maximum storage is 2 TB supported. Warranty of the laptop is 1 year courier or carry-in service, 1 year accidental damage protection. We can also choose from Premium Care, Premium Care Plus and Total Protection for extended warranty. In the box, we have Lenovo IdeaPad Slim3 Gen 10 laptop, 65 watt round tip AC power adapter, user manual, offer included Microsoft Office Home 2024 with lifetime validity. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim3 is a sleek, lightweight, powerhouse laptop built for speed and efficiency, delivers fast multitasking, ideal for professionals and students, for work, for study, and even for entertainment. Its Full HD Plus display offers crisp visuals, and we also get 14 plus hours of battery backup.